Welcome students to my channel Quick English by Neil Sir. This is my grammar series tutorials for all competitive exams. This grammar series will make you more confident and overall help you with your English speaking and learning skills. Like, share, comment and subscribe to this series. Let's begin with Nouns Part 1. Here you will understand what nouns are and the different types of nouns. I have broken it into different parts for better understanding. Nouns are divided into two parts, common nouns and proper nouns. However, in part 1, we will cover up common nouns. What are common nouns? Common nouns are words for people, animals, places or things. Number 1. These are words for people. They are common nouns. The word actor is a common noun. Example, he is the most famous actor. Similarly, words like clown, girl, doctor are referred as common nouns. This is how we can use these words in sentences. For example, the clown is funny. The girl is pretty. This doctor is intelligent. Some other words like lawyer, farmer, policeman, boy, teacher, cook, judge, dentist, soldier, singer. All these words fall under the same category of common nouns of people. Number 2. These are words used for animals. They are common nouns. Words like bird, zebra, crocodile are all common nouns. They can be used in sentences like this. It is a small bird. A zebra has black and white stripes. The crocodile has big teeth. Some more words, for example, tiger, elephant, goose, cat, cow, horse, duck, bear, hen, dog are all common nouns of animals. Number 3. These are words used for places. They are common nouns. For example, the word beach. It's a fun day at the beach. Here, the word beach is a common noun. In the same way, the word park. We play in the park. Park is a common noun. And the word shop. This shop is where I buy my things. All these words are common nouns of places. Some more words, for example, airport, playground, restaurant, school, hospital, hotel, market, church, stadium, house, temple and mall are common nouns of places. And finally, number 4, these are words used for things. They are common nouns. For example, the word gate. The gate is made of iron. The word box. I like the color of this box. And the word bed. Is it a single or double bed? All these words are common nouns. Some more words that you can use are bag, ladder, lamp, chair, television, kite, drum, book, radio and cup. All these are common nouns of things. Let's do a practice exercise to revise what we have learned. Identify the common nouns in the sentence. Sentence number 1. The young girl is studying. Answer. Girl is the common noun in the sentence. Sentence number 2. Who is your teacher? Answer. The word teacher is a common noun. Sentence number 3. Did you buy this umbrella? Umbrella is the correct answer. Sentence number 4. She plays with her new doll. The word doll is a common noun. Sentence number 5. I like reading books. Books is a common noun. Sentence number 6. He is an engineer. Answer. The word engineer is a common noun. Sentence number 7. The child is crying. The word child is the correct answer. Sentence number 8. Roger does not like the chocolate. Answer: the word chocolate is a common noun. Sentence number 9. My phone is damaged. The word phone is a common noun. And finally, sentence number 10. I bought this storybook for you. Answer: the word storybook is a common noun. I hope you liked and found this video helpful. Part 2 of nouns coming up in my next video. Stay tuned. Till then, keep learning.